50-second pre-competitive skill test. Some of us say, like other relations, had left there all their lives, full stop. Never had they heard the call of the cities of their own country, and till less had the voice of other countries overseas called to them, full stop. No, life had to end where it had begun, and throughout the years they lived in these little, very little houses, lived as people were no longer thought to live in those wonderful lands of ours, full stop. In our part of the country, even now this situation prevail, full stop. The production there is on the decrease, but the agriculturalists are suffering on account of inadequate facilities of railway transports, full stop. He was glad to find from the president's address that the railways are thinking of opening even new lines very soon, full stop. New paragraph. It has also been said that so far locomotive and rolling stones are concerned, the manufacture of these is going on very satisfactorily, full stop. Party's Karachi chief, held at hurriedly called press conference at his headquarters in the city and warned of sieging the polling stations, where he said the results were deliberately being delayed to manage things, full stop. The yardstick to determine the worth of an individual no longer runs in terms of moral excellence, but in terms of the riches he possesses and the influence he wields in a society, smitten with utilitarianism, full stop. This knowledge, plays an intensified course in business English, has proved to be invaluable in handling of correspondence, full stop. New paragraph. We like to become a part of organization, full stop. I shall not appreciate a personal interview at your convenience, full stop. We sincerely hope that such a meeting would be mutually advantageous, full stop. From the customer in the retail shop, semicolon, through the warehouse man, to whom the retailer offers bigger orders on condition of more valuable terms, semicolon, to the manufacturer who looks to the warehouse man for an interpretation of the market, full stop. Neither the ingenious manufacturer nor anyone else can fix these at his whim or caprice, full stop. If an official habitually comes late to the office or does not exert himself in his work, then the department concerned should take action against him under the West Pakistan Government Servants bracket start efficiency and discipline bracket close rules, 1960, instead of desiring transfer, full stop.